The reason we believe the news shown on your screen is because Israel took video images and then showed the content to the world. IDF airs footage of interception of drone launched from Iraq toward Eilat. The IDF released footage showing the interception of a drone launched from Iraq at the southernmost city of Eilat by a Navy SAR 5 class corvette. A second drone launched in the attack hit the Eilat port, causing damage and lightly wounding 2 civilians. Eilat is a port that is Israel's outlet to India, Eastern Asia, and Africa. We are deeply concerned for Iraq's safety. Once Israel gets through turning Lebanon into a parking lot like it did Gaza, they could just as easily start on Iraq. They are showing the world the reason for any future actions towards Iraq. The unwritten thought is, if you cannot control what happens within your borders, we can. As Iraqi dinar investors, we can only hope that de-escalation is in the near future. There is so much unreliable news coming out of the Middle East. The channel has paid for the ground news source to provide up-to-date, reliable news.